Hello students. Yes, I could guess when you look at the slide and read the chapter Noun. What came over your mind? Very common definition. A noun is a name of any person, animal, place, thing, material, and even emotions or ideas. In this chapter, we shall understand types of noun and their uses. Let's talk about the common noun, where it is used for people, place, or thing in general, and it refers to the class or type of people or thing without being specific. The second is the proper noun. It is used to name a specific in a very specific way and also begins with a capital letter. The third is the countable. Yes, it could be count. It can be easily count, have a singular and a plural form, and can be used with a number or and before it. For example, you can see car, it could be count, desk, cup. The next is the uncountable. Yes, the word itself signifies that it cannot be counted. Though it is a mass noun, but it cannot be counted like wood, milk, and air. The third is the concrete noun. It refers to the people or thing where they really are there physically and at least one of the sense can detect. For example, dog, tree, apple. The next is the abstract. Yes, it's very common and easy. Have no physical existence. For example, love, time, fear, and freedom. We can only feel these emotions, but we cannot measure them. The next is the compound, where two or more words that create a noun. They have separate meaning, but when they are joined by hyphen, they create one word, and that is a noun. The next is the collective. Yes, it refers to a set or group of people, animal, or thing. They are often followed by of plus plural noun. For example, team, pile, stack, flock, bunch. The following slides have the bifurcation for all these nouns. The first slide is in front of you. Difference between common noun and proper noun. The next slide you have is countable and uncountable noun. Those nouns which can be count and those nouns which cannot be count. The next slide you have is for the collective nouns. A name of group of person, things, or animals are known as collective noun. There are various examples you'll be watching in the next slide. Here you have the list. For example, this is a very precise list. It's been there. People, animal, and things. What are they called? The next slide is about abstract noun. You can see here few abstract nouns. A name of something that we cannot see but can feel or think of. The next slide reflects about the abstract noun. This can be really helpful for you. I hope you all to note this down. The next slide is equally important for you, where the root word is given to you and you can add suffix and how it can be changed into abstract noun. You can see the first root word is given to you, private, how it has to be changed in abstract noun using ACY, that becomes privacy. Break will turn into breakage when add with AGE. Able will become ability. And so on. You can see many other words that how from root word you can change into abstract noun. Thank you for watching. This is Sonali from Anand Niketan, Maninagar.